Hey guys, good morning. It's your girl Nelly B, and it is the day before my 32nd birthday. My fiance and I, his sister and her boyfriend, we're heading up to Toco. We're currently in Kumana. Not Ramplanaga, it's past it already, but we're in Kumana. And we just pit stopped to look at the ocean. It is not 6 o'clock yet, but we're on the move early. What? What is he doing? Huh? What is he doing? Busted!
Get somebody bored. Somebody bored, dude. Get somebody bored. Got a picture there, got a point.
Listen, no, I'm recording it. For what?
No, we didn't have a pocket book.
Yeah, look at the right on the side. Like that's not
Yep. I'm recording it, babe. Jason, it has to work. Okay. Yes. Jason, yes, I know. That's okay. Well, I don't have any sneakers up by you, so just had to block the lens. I recorded. Wow. That's the lighthouse. And there are two rainbows. I don't know if y'all could see it, but there's a faint one right above the other one. It's pretty cool. So this is Sanssouci Beach. I'm still in the car. We took a drive up and decided the water was a lot rougher. A whole lot rougher than where we were originally planning to bathe at Toco Beach. So we're gonna head back to Toco Beach now. So we were in the water, right from where I'm showing you guys, and the river, stuff from the river, because there was a lot of rain this morning, started to come down, and you'll see that? That is a fridge, an old rusty fridge that came down with the river. I am so annoyed and disgusted right now because it's like we can't have meeting, we don't properly dispose of our waste, and this is what is going on. This stuff gets pushed out to sea. I don't know if y'all could see the difference really, because all that brown water is what just came down from the river. So despite having the incident in the water kind of end our sea bath a little bit early, we still had a wonderful time despite the weather, despite everything. It was just good to explore the country and see parts of Trinidad that I've never really seen before. It was, for me, a wonderful way to start off my birthday celebrations. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.